My name is Kartikeya Sharma and I had joined FIITJEE Hyderabad in 2011 as part of my IIT JEE preparations. Most people would think that I would not be into the field of engineering because both of my parents are doctors. But ever since I had been a kid, I was always interested in computers and had been a computer freak. I came to know about FIITJEE in class 8 from a few of my friends who had already been studying over here, and I decided I would follow them and do the same. I had joined FIITJEE primarily because I wanted to prepare for my NTSE exam, which was to be conducted in my class 10. After 2 years of hard work at FIITJEE, I had finally achieved my goal. It was then that I had decided that I had made the right decision in joining FIITJEE. After cracking the NTSE exam, I decided that FIITJEE Hyderabad was the right place for me, and I enrolled in the Pinnacle 2-year classroom integrated program. After just 5 months at FIITJEE, I tasted success by becoming a KVPY scholar. It was then that I knew for sure that FIITJEE would help me reach my goal in cracking FIITJEE 2015. The faculty at FIITJEE was very dedicated and put their heart and soul into everything they did. They left no stone unturned in making sure that we understood all the concepts perfectly and were ready to face the exam without panicking, no matter what the pattern was. One thing that set FIITJEE Hyderabad apart from other coaching centers who were preparing students for the IITJEE were the frequent tests that were conducted over here. Every week we had to write 2 tests. One was in the JEE Advanced pattern and one was in the JEE Mains pattern. This made sure that we as students were always prepared for any sort of exam on the final day. Another major factor that helped us prepare for the IITJEE was the error analysis report that we received after each test. It helped us identify our strengths as well as our weak areas and made sure that we concentrated more on filling our loopholes rather than focusing on topics that we were already strong in. After completing the syllabus, FIITJEE Hyderabad prepared for us a customized revision program spanning over 2 months in which all the syllabus that had been covered in the preceding 2 years had been revised in a very short period of time. Every 3 days, we had a test catering to the topics that had been covered over the previous 3 days. It made sure that I introspected my understanding over every sub-concept thoroughly. The AI2TS exam helped me assess my performance among other FIITJEE students studying all over India. And the AITS exam, that is the All India Integrated Test Series, helped me know my standing on the national level as a whole. It provided me with a very realistic simulation of an exam-like environment. It also provided me with a very realistic simulation of the exam-like environment. In other words, I had given the IITJEE many times before the actual exam. After the JEE Mains exam, I was solely focused on giving the JEE Advanced exam, especially the more than one correct type of questions. FIITJEE Hyderabad helped me in this endeavour by preparing a customized question bank which I worked on day and night. As a result, I was not at all surprised on the final exam day when majority of the questions were of the more than one correct option type. It helped me solve the paper without panicking at all. I would like to thank my parents who have always stood by me throughout this difficult journey, and also all the faculty members of FIITJEE Hyderabad who have always been there to guide me in times where I felt that I could not make it. I would like to advise beyond doubt all the current JEE aspirants that if they would like to crack the IITJEE without a stress-free environment, they should definitely choose FIITJEE Hyderabad. Thank you, FIITJEE.